Yes, how are you?
I'm fine. What about
Yes,
you?
recently I was just watching your video with Akhila ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
it's great, yeah. How did you join this?
There is a app name is Clapping Go.
Okay, did you pay?
Yeah, I have taken subscription of 3 months at the
Okay,
price of 1500.
1500 for three
Yeah,
months.
yeah.
Oh, that's
And
great.
yeah, and I have 15 minutes per session
Okay,
and
per day.
and not per day, 1 day per week.
Oh, with them. And do they provide video, recording video with you?
Yeah, I did few video like one video I did with Adi Photo. Adi Photo is a YouTube channel, and
Okay, okay.
he also make video regarding to family conversations,
Mm-hmm.
and he also do conversation with his subscriber and put on his YouTube channel.
Oh, that's
He
great.
has around 8K subscriber. Yeah.
You have?
Uh, no, he have. I'm
Okay,
talking about Mr. Arif.
okay,
He
okay,
is a auto driver and he has started speaking English since
okay.
lockdown. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. And yeah, I did watch each video that you shared with me, and I also subscribed your channel. And I seen you are going very well with them, and also learning great speeches, how to convert in the way, how to use fillers when we need to take pauses, everything that
Yeah.
that you are learning. And
Yeah.
I'm feeling great. Somebody is just also trying through the videos, because video is one mode where we can see our mistakes and we can correct them at the same
Yeah.
time.
And
So
one, yeah,
really, I'm too much glad to see that you are working, and still I'm just preparing roti, chapatis, and I'm watching
okay,
your video. Yeah,
okay,
really, I don't watch much videos about any, for English teacher, but your
okay,
video is really helpful for others. That's why I
okay,
also do share with my friends who are learning, and
okay.
my
That's great.
students too,
Yeah.
who are just striving a good vocabulary, how to enhance our confidence and how to speak very well through colleagues, through friends. So it's really helpful, and I hope it would reach a place where people will get a lot of productive things from your videos.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Thanks for that. And I've just taken a in your what to say initiative. Yeah. I also put my number there, and I write there if anyone wants to talk, then
Mm-hmm.
they can put a message there.
Yes.
Yeah. It's whenever we talk to different persons, we
Mm-hmm.
get to know about few things, and yeah, we learn new things also.
Yes, it's great. And I don't want to suggest anything, because it's been great, and whatever you are doing, it's great for everyone, because it's
Yeah.
your effort that you are making, and that you are putting on, enhancing your, strengthening your power of speaking. But
Yeah. Yeah.
one thing what I felt in your videos, that it's a good because you are learning from them. But
Okay.
whenever we make mistakes, if somebody is just uh, giving us suggestion at the same time when we make mistakes,
Yeah, yeah.
it make
Then
us,
we never forget it.
irritated. Yeah, we can shortlist your mistakes and other mistakes, and we can tell them in the end of the conversation, then it would be learning. But if you are speaking and I will point on your mistakes, but you can't complete your thought and whatever you just designed to talk. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
so
yeah,
that
yeah,
was, I didn't feel with that ma'am. I don't know what's her name, but yeah, it's good because they are teaching and you are learning. So
yeah,
it's
yeah.
great for them.
Yeah,
And
there are many teachers. There are many
yeah.
teachers. One is Divyam Jain. I have also did conversation with him, but I
Mm-hmm.
didn't till now upload his video. And
Mm-hmm.
he's so glad. He's so smart, and yeah, he always try to replace my common with words with a standard words,
Mm-hmm.
and uh, correct me after my speech.
Yes.
Like if I talk about anything for
Mm-hmm.
2 minutes, for 3 minutes, then after that he suggests me what mistake I am done. I am
Yes.
done.
Yes. Yeah, it's
So
great learning. Yeah, it's a great way to learn. Yeah, clapping go.
and one thing also I have realized that
Mm-hmm.
when I do mistake in videos and he correct me,
Mm-hmm.
then that mistake I think I will not do in future because And one thing also, I feel pressure little bit in front of camera
Mm-hmm.
while speaking. Then
Mm-hmm.
that time I have to speak in a good way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
So
And yeah, really, it's a very helpful. Yeah, Clapingo is. I think it's cheaper than Cambly,
Cambly.
right?
Yeah. Yeah. That.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But definitely, I would suggest to everyone who are learning under me. Then
Yeah.
definitely, I will share with them that you need to work with that Clapingo
Yeah.
English app. Okay, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Clapingo
Right.
English conversation. Okay. So,
Okay.
would you share me that link so that I
Okay.
can share with them?
Yeah. Link is also mentioned in my video's
Oh,
description
sorry,
box,
sorry, I didn't mention
and
on.
I can also share with you. It's not a
Okay,
big deal.
definitely. And how about you? What was your talk yesterday with Vignesh? How did you feel? Did you?
I didn't talk. I called
Oh,
him, but he didn't pick up my call.
oh, oh. Really, if you will talk to him now, definitely you will feel a great productive way and the way of his speaking, how he has developed in their path and how we can also maintain in our way. Okay. So he
Oh,
has great way of communication, and that's why I have suggested to the group to please communicate that person. Adi is also very well in speaking, and
yeah.
Vignesh is
Few
also
times.
because
Yeah.
hmm? Yes, yes,
Few
you go.
times I talk with Adil.
Oh,
Yeah.
Adil is great. Yeah, really, he has the way, the shortened way, and he also abridged their sentences and display with the picture cube. It means his words make us pictures, and we can imagine through words, through
Yeah.
sentences. He has,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
Vignesh has superpower of speaking. Really, if you will
Mhm.
talk to him, definitely you will feel it's a melody talk. Even he is a man, but you will feel he has melody talk and melody words and vocabulary strength then he has and different kind of styles he used in conversation.
Okay. Yeah. So then definitely I will try to talk to him.
Definitely reach to him.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
And
yeah.
what else you are doing apart from this all conversation and all things?
Apart from this, my examination is coming soon. My
Oh,
examination
because
starts
March
from
is very close.
yeah,
Oh,
25, 25th of February.
uh what do you do in
And
study?
currently I am doing BTech and I am in second year.
BTech.
Yeah,
Oh,
BTech.
you are, it mean you're technical guy. Teach me something technical about because I don't read much about these things because I'm not fond of it. So, could you teach me something special that I don't know that people won't know about it?
Okay, like my branch is civil engineering.
Okay.
So till now I have learned only few things. As you know that in first year there is only common subject which
Yes, yes.
we have we studied in class 12 or 11.
Mm-hmm.
So in third semester I have learned about few new subjects like surveying,
Mm-hmm.
mechanics,
Mm-hmm.
and what the scope of civil engineering. There is a subject name is Introduction of Civil Engineering,
Okay.
and there is few software of making 3D designing, home
Mm-hmm.
designing, building designing like AutoCAD, Revit architecture,
Mm-hmm.
and I have interest to make designings.
Oh.
I have learned few software like AutoCAD, Revit, and I have also made few designs of my hostels, my
Oh.
colleges, yeah, in 3D or in 2D.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, like many of the peoples who make home designing, building designing, just because of this software,
Mm-hmm.
which I have learned in lockdown period.
Oh.
Yeah,
So you are
and
interested in to become a civil engineer, right?
yeah, yeah, definitely.
Uh, so are you working hard work for that?
Yeah, I am working towards also,
Oh, that,
and I have also taken few courses of GATE. I think you know about
yes, yes.
GATE is
I have
GATE
heard.
is
I don't know exactly what does it refer.
you can say GATE is like a gateway of engineers.
Oh.
Like if you clear GATE, then you will get opportunity to do any MTech course or
Mm-hmm.
MS course in few India's best college like IITs, and few college are there also like in Singapore, They are also offering MS courses,
GATE,
and
GATE stand for?
GATE stand for Graduate Aptitude Test.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so mm, yeah, I was saying that yeah, GATE is like a gateway of engineers.
Yeah.
There is few big Maharatna companies like ONGC, IOCL.
Mm-hmm.
In order to get job in those companies, there is only one option. You have
Mm-hmm.
to appear in GATE and you have to secure a good rank like under 500.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
How many hours do you spend to enhance your English speaking?
at least 2 hours every day.
2 hours.
Sometime it goes 4 5 also, but at least I try to give 2 hours.
Okay. Do you spend in listening or do you spend in reading or writing too?
Uh, Most of the time I spend in speaking or listening.
Speaking and listening.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
that's
but I
great.
also wants to develop a habit of reading and writing. But
Oh,
till now I haven't started, and I think it's little boring.
do you do write well?
Yeah, I had thought, but when I will sit to write anything,
Okay.
the words didn't come in my mind.
Okay.
I'll
Did
I'll try to. Yeah,
did you
yesterday
ever
night.
try to write something about a story, your experience, your thoughts, the articles around
Yeah,
people, what they are doing, and since accidents?
yeah. I have some diary. I sometime I wrote my experience, my friend experience, and
Mm-hmm.
whatever the mistake did in then I also tell him
Mm-hmm.
you was wrong there. You don't behave like that.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, like I just write my life experience, little bit of learning in my diary.
Mm. Mm. Did you read
So
that blog that yesterday I shared with
yeah,
that group?
yesterday I was reading. I thought that it's your story.
Yes, yes, it was my, and actually it was my afraid. I was afraid to write because that kind of scared things and fear that we have
Yeah,
if we'll write something and
yeah,
people
yeah.
will read, and if I had made mistakes some things, then they will abuse, and they might
They
be
will also
thinking that
judge you.
huh?
They will also judge you in
Yeah, definitely they are
while
there to judge. Everyone is there to judge only. They are not
that.
there to correct our mistakes. They are there to only judge, and they will unbind our relationship with them, and they also say like that. So that's why yesterday I just broken my fear, and I just wrote everything whatever comes to my mind. And today this is my the second day that I will write starting to write, and definitely I will prepare for blogging stories and whatever comes to my mind and experience observation I have been. I will
Yeah,
display it through paper,
yeah,
and
yeah,
that will
definitely.
be my new learning for writing because I have writing since 2015, but I was not correct for blog, for story, for case studies, kind of
Yeah,
data and stuff. But
yeah, yeah,
yesterday I just broken because it was my new experience, how to
yeah.
develop, how to build new things in our story, because I have been working also in speaking. So
Yeah.
at least I'm very close to done it. So that's why I
Mm-hmm.
started to writing because it's
Mm-hmm.
my biggest drawback that I have. Still I have, but
Yeah,
definitely I will break it because if
yeah,
you
yeah,
want to speak, then please start speaking. If you want to write, then start writing. That's
yeah,
that's all
definitely.
in our hand and nothing
Yeah.
apart of it.
And one of my friend nowadays saying me that I also wants to write articles.
Oh.
Uh, yeah, so I think I will also start writing very soon
Mm-hmm.
because the people around me they are doing this thing.
Mm.
So and I am also influenced by the people around us.
Yes.
So yeah, definitely
And you are
people say
growing,
that.
really, you are growing very well, yaar. Since once I we talked to each other, na,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So since then, you are just growing up again, over and over, and you are improving on your thoughts and the way of explanation. But you are taking pauses too much. But it's great because thoughts release their new thing, and vocabulary comes to your mouth, and then you release that. I
yeah,
don't know what's her name exactly.
yeah.
Akila ma'am. She said also
Akila.
that you are great in your speaking. but you take too much pauses. But you are
Yeah,
not
some
taking pauses. You are just thinking what kind of word you should release that time, because if words are released and words are come out from your mouth, it can't be restored again. Okay, so
yeah,
that's
yeah.
why you think about it, and it was great learning for me that sometime I go with the flow and I don't think about mistakes that I might be make. But
Mm.
from your that video I will learn that if I feel I need to take pauses, then I will take.
Yeah,
So thank you,
definitely.
thank you for this video, for this
No,
sharing.
no, it's
Really,
wise.
I
Yeah,
don't think I never thought about taking pauses, because I wanna be like whatever, my brain does work like a speedo power.
yeah.
It throws a lot of thoughts within a second. So that's why I never take pauses while I'm talking to anyone. But
Yeah.
from this video, definitely I will think about it and I will try to put in my words.
Have you watched Mirzapur?
Mirzapur, yes.
So
Mirzapur 1, 2, both.
I can relate my no this taking pause style to
Yes.
this dialogues of Mirzapur, dialogues of
Uh,
Mirabai, and dialogues of no mm,
uh,
Pankaj Tripathi. When you take pauses, then people have some no curiosity
mhm.
to what will happen,
Yes, yes,
and yeah, and about words make our sentence expressive.
yes.
So we should use words wisely to make
Yeah, yeah.
our sentence interactive,
I also
attractive.
told to my students and told to my friends, but I never tried it, because never I felt such situations and the such events never came to my face and I never faced it. That's why I am not using. But I'm why I'm just making compliment for your video, because it would be learning for others who are learning and they think that pauses are not good. Okay, but this is
Yeah,
good because you don't know what to say, what to not. So definitely it would be effective for them. Definitely. And
yeah,
please just
definitely.
continue with your videos. And I'm very glad to see your effort. Because I also do shoot my videos.
Mhm.
I do shoot my
Mhm.
dancing videos, English
Yeah,
videos,
yeah.
and
Mhm.
comedy videos. Constantly I'm doing. But I dream to see in each of one who are working for learning, who are working in displaying themselves to the public.
Yeah, definitely. So I think you are doing so many things. You are
Yeah,
making
yeah,
dancing video. You are
yeah.
teaching a students. You are
Yeah.
making comedy video. So tell me a little bit about your teaching.
Actually, the first of all, I would tell you that the first things I do, I have a job. Okay, I'm an accountant in organization that is Norachana. I have been working
Okay.
since 2014, and
Okay.
I do
Okay.
earn money. That's why I have time to do those things that I do.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I get paid from 25,000 per month. That's why
Mhm.
I do everything whatever comes to my mind, and when I get time I do talk to people. I do teach to I don't teach anyone. I just share my experience with them.
You guide.
Yeah, so it could
You
be.
guide them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I guide them. And the third things, I do dance when I get time for myself. So these
Okay.
things goes on like like a daily story, daily routine.
And
And
I think you like to do everything,
yes,
whatever you are
everything,
doing.
because I this is my first birth and last birth, because no, I'm not going to take birth again here in this world.
Yeah, yeah,
So that's
definitely.
why I do complete myself, and when I do my things, I'm done with everything. So the first at the early morning, 5 or 6 o'clock, I just wake
Yeah.
up and start reading some articles, newspapers
Mm.
till
Mm-hmm.
8 o'clock. Okay,
Yeah.
as I get free time, I do brush my teeth and usual
Mm-hmm.
whatever we do in
Mm-hmm.
routine, and then I
Yeah.
go in kitchen and I prepare food for myself. And
Okay.
after that, I go to office 11 to 3. Okay,
Okay.
it's been 4 hours, and then I come back from the office and I do listen. I listen to all videos that comes, and those on based on story, those on revealing things, politics,
Mm-hmm.
business
Mm-hmm.
study, and standard of the people, the living way, successful way, unsuccessful, those all kind of articles. It goes
Mm-hmm.
3 to 6. Okay, then I
Mm-hmm.
again I go to the kitchen and 6 to
Mm-hmm.
7 I do prepare food for myself, and then I
Okay.
come to room and I do dance 8 to 9, and then
Okay.
after 9 I do study 10
Mm-hmm.
to 12, and then again I go to bed and sleep.
You are going through a hectic schedule.
Yes, yes.
So how can you manage
I
like?
don't know. It's happen, yeah. I don't know. So, there are many people are asking and they are thinking that how do you manage, how to arrange those all things. But I also I didn't tell you. I also arrange few times to my students at the
Yeah.
evening when I cook, like now, right now.
Mm-hmm.
I was just preparing a food for me, and you
Mm-hmm.
just called me and I was just talking to you. Otherwise, I don't have much time. That's why many times I told to the group I don't get time. That's why I'm not here. But when I get time, I tell to everyone, and if they are available at the time, they can connect me.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
So this is
Uh,
my routine, and I do
I think,
follow.
what's your age? I can guess your age between 25 or 26.
Yes, I'm 26 plus. No, I'm correct. Let me correct. I think from this February,
Yeah,
I turned to 27.
okay,
Yeah,
27. Okay, so you are doing so many things, and I
yeah.
think, yeah,
And
yeah.
when I don't do those things, I feel, this is not my time. This is other time. That's
Mhm.
why I do everything whatever comes to my way,
Yeah, definitely.
whether it is
Yeah,
good for me or not.
yeah, like we are just doing experiment. Some of the
Yes.
experiment will go wrong, and some of them
Mm-hmm.
experiment our will succeed in future.
Mm-hmm.
And definitely all the YouTubers who are in now, billionaires, they
Mm-hmm.
all become made of an experiment.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
The experimental things makes us lighten. I'm not saying
Yeah.
enlighten, but lighten at least, because enlighten things is just something else that is not in cup of my tea.
People have many ideas, like,
Yeah.
but they don't want to take action. In my batchmates, in my college, many of the people have great ideas. They talk about businesses and all, but they don't want to take practical experience. But this is a good time of doing experiments.
Mm-hmm.
And whatever I thought, I just started.
Yes.
Like few days ago, I was thinking that I should start a YouTube channel where I can upload videos of Clappingo, and I can also try to talk with the different peoples.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that I started. After one day, I got to know about Mr. Arif Otowala YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
So I approached him
Mm-hmm.
to, sir, I want to do a conversation with you.
Mm-hmm.
Then he said, okay, well. Then I did a conversation with him, and it was too great.
Yes.
Yeah, he has a unique accent, like
Mm-hmm.
he's talking like a British.
Mm-hmm.
So he become famous because of a auto driver in India is speaking very well English.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What is the number of your subscriber you got?
Mm. Till now around 25 or 26.
26. Okay.
It's been only 3 4 days, so I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
expect more. Yeah.
Yeah, I have gotten more than 1K subscriber, but people don't watch my videos because they are busy with their schedule. So I don't care about it because I have started my journey. So I don't care about people are watching or not. I am just uploading this video to empty my storage from my phone. That's why
Yeah.
I'm not there to teaching. That's why I start with my words that I'm not here to teach you. I'm just here to share my experience, the way, the
Mhm.
experience, the observation I have been through. So
I think
that's about it.
you have a helpful nature, and you are feel free to help others, feel free to guide others. That's why you are doing, and it's make us immense pleasure. We feel very good after guiding anyone.
Thank you, thank you, thank you for
And
all.
what about our conversation? I think we should record a video and upload on
Yeah, yeah,
to
definitely. I think I we can arrange in Sunday on Sunday. I think so. We can
on
arrange.
sun
Yeah, because
on
I get
sun.
free time. Yeah, it's my leave day, and I don't do
Okay.
anything this day. I just sit with myself alone, and I do meditate myself for 5 to 6 hours. So that's why
Oh,
it's my
wow.
free time. But I will give you that time because
I
I
think
want to also to share with people that it can be done by us. because
If
nobody is guiding us. Okay, and they don't have much time to guide us. They don't have much time to correct us. So we need to start. We need to commence this from us, and then we will lead to it to infinite source and
yeah, yeah,
infinite way that we are just striving to. So it would be Gary,
exactly.
and I think our conversation will would be fruitful for everyone. But it
Yeah,
might be not. But we are just hoping. I'm just dreaming it.
yeah, yeah. Uh, so we have to prepare for it, or we have to just do.
No, 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 no. It should be random talk. It should be because if we'll prepare now on paper, then
Yeah,
things won't come to the mind because we
yeah,
will be binded. We will be binded with the situation, with the task that we have given by you or by me, by me to you.
Mhm.
So that's why I don't mind. I don't bind to myself, and I'm not wishing to you to bind. So that's why it
No,
should be
I'm
very
not.
freestyle.
I'm not saying you to we have to prepare any a script like some topics about which I will talk.
We will talk about the comments, how to start these things, and how we can proceed it to a productive way.
Yeah, I will ask a few questions about your journey when you started and how you like that, right?
About me?
Yeah. When
Yeah,
yeah, I
yeah.
wanted to ask a question. So when you started speaking English?
Okay. I did start my speaking in 2009 when I come to when things encountered me, and I was just
Okay.
visited to a place where everyone about to talk, and they were just speaking how to speak English about, and I got an award of it. And that day
Wow.
I just spelled everything. I talked about my life, what I experienced. And that day,
Mhm.
the 14th September 2009, this was
Okay.
my first day, and I got an interview from my team,
Okay.
who were senior that time. Now they are
Okay.
friends, and they take an interview, and they just pointed out my mistakes, and they told me they given suggestions to improve my vocabulary, improve my way of speaking, improve my
Okay.
body language. And since
Mhm.
then till now I'm still working on that, and I'm not teaching. I'm just daily learning new things and adding in my conversation while I get time to communicate. And this organization where I'm working, this
Mhm.
organization works with international agencies. That's why it
Okay.
helps us me a lot
To talk
because
to the
it's my
different.
work. Yeah, it's my work, and I do spend 3 to 4 hours with them, and I do communicate them. I make them understand about the work that we are doing
Mhm.
since it started, and we also
Okay.
give them about the ideas that we are going to implement in the rural areas. So kind of things
Mhm.
I do and I implement in my field area. That's why it become easy for me, and it's my
Yeah.
daily work. So that's why you can also feel through my words that like I'm speaking. But
Yeah.
it's
Definitely.
yeah, so it's my work. I'm not saying this is my privilege, your privilege, others privilege.
Yeah.
It's my
I,
privilege that I was
we are.
given a work.
Yeah. We are like a life learners. Like
Yes,
we
yes.
want to learn from everything,
Yeah,
and
that's why
everyone
I
should
did
learn.
join this organization, because this is the one international organization among all where I get offered. So this
Mhm.
was one. That's why I did choose it. And in the beginning of the work, I was just scared how to talk to foreigners, how to talk to international agencies and the well-educated person. But my senior
Mhm.
told me that if you are confident, there is no
Mhm.
one who can make you uh, dominant, demotivate to your talk.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Confidence.
that day
Yeah.
made me like this. I don't feel if I am making mistake na, nobody can correct me because I also learning Spanish. I also working on French, and
Wow.
I do understand what the talk, what the way of English learning.
Yeah.
That's why I just watched in your video, and
Mhm.
I noticed your thing. You are not also thinking about your mistake. If somebody is correcting, that's just okay. But I will do what come to my mind. That's your spirit, and I'm learning from your spirit. Really.
Yeah. That's good. That's good.
Really, yaar, you are also not thinking about your mistake. You are just making mistake, and you are not worried about what people will think about you, and
Yeah. Yeah.
what would they say to tell to you. but you are just
Yeah,
allowing to your tongue to release the words that are coming to you. So that's the
yeah,
great
definitely.
spirit you have, and I'm gonna write next blog on you definitely, the second next blog, but after our conversation, so that I can, it would be easy for me to write.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
I do
definitely.
write proposals to agencies. I do write many things. I do write case study,
Yeah,
but I
yeah.
never wrote.
I have also noticed that when first time I talk to you, you must send me a long text.
Yes,
It means that you have a ability to write
yes, yes,
and share your thoughts.
yes, yes.
And
And what
many of the
I noticed in the group, there are no one using your punctuation mark, and they are not working on writing, and they are saying, writing is easier than speaking. I
no, no,
don't
no.
think, yeah, writing is much difficult than speaking.
Yeah, definitely. When we speak, then our thoughts comes in mind. But
Yes,
when we write, the thoughts didn't come out in
yeah,
our mind.
it doesn't
Yeah, I
allow words,
realized that.
yeah.
Yeah, it's little difficult to write. Yeah.
Definitely, yeah. And I'm just, I feel what kind of people they are who are saying speaking is difficult than writing. Yeah, okay, tell me how to write. Yeah, I would be your student. Please be my teacher. If you know how to write, please be my
No,
teacher.
writing will be easy when you write the answers of questions in
Yes.
your schools, in your colleges. Yeah, it's little no difficult to yeah, but
Yeah.
when you have to write in real life about the real practical things,
Yeah,
then it
yeah.
will be little difficult.
Yeah, if I when I sit to write, yeah, I don't know what to write, yeah, but I do start it with my thoughts, and I do start with my friends, what their life been through,
So
and
nowadays you are also wondering for the story like a writer.
yes, yes, and definitely I am making promise to you, after this year, definitely the one book will be printed from me,
Okay,
and
okay, that
that would be the
wow.
journey. That is the title
I,
I have given right now, the journey. The journey,
okay,
what kind of journey we have, because money is the, as my friend told me, the money is sixth element of the nature, and this would be the mentioned in my story, in my, on my book, and on the words. The money
could
is
you
the
repeat?
sixth element.
Money is the strict element.
Money is sixth element of nature, because we can
Oh,
survive with these five elements, but the money is required till the death. So that's
yeah,
why I am just, my friend suggested me, just if you want to write, just put one thing, that money is sixth element of the nature. If we are gathered by five elements, then we need to have one element more, that is money. If we don't have money, it means we have nothing in this generation, in this modern age. If we are
yeah,
talking
yeah,
about, definitely you
definitely.
also feel that
Yeah,
money is really are paying something different, whatever we never expected. So that's why
Mhm.
money is the sixth element of nature, and rest of the
Yeah.
things will be on the book. I'm not disclosing here. Okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I will also wait for your books
Yeah,
and definitely
definitely.
I will.
I will make
So,
print. I will make 10 prints in the evening, in the beginning. Then, if
yeah,
people will ask, then I will make 1,000, because I do earn money. Yaar. I have to spend my money on my way.
you are
That's why
believe on
I'm just experienced.
investing. I think
Hmm?
you believe on investing your
Yes,
money on yourself, on your growth, and
yes, yes,
it is too great.
yes.
And I also believe on investing. That's why whenever I think that I have to invest here,
Hmm.
I invest.
Yeah, that's why I told you earlier. When did you ask me that, what makes you like this? That's why I
Yeah,
started with money. Okay, I do earn money. That's why I'm doing this. If my stomach is empty, I I I had no, I would have not done this, whatever I'm doing.
yeah, definitely.
So
It's
first of
required.
all, I would suggest to everyone, just earn money, then decide what you want to do. Because if you don't have money, then you will be hungry to have something, and
Yeah,
it would
definitely.
be meal, it would be anything. So please earn
Mhm.
money, then decide what you want to do.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
The first
So,
source would be.
uh, yeah, after talking to you, I realize that you are like a spiritual person. You believe in meditation and
Oh, thanks,
spirituality.
thanks, thanks, thanks. I'm not a spiritual. Spirituality comes, I don't think I am not a decipher about it. But one thing I want to tell you, spiritual means होता है spirit reality. That's the Atma reality. It means Atma
Yeah.
Gyan jo bolte hai na, that's it. The, if you are aware of life, it means that aware of everything. But spiritual people says that they know everything. I don't know anything. The first the first words comes from my mouth. That is, I don't know anything. That is the real spirituality. Yeah,
Yeah.
and I'm never going to impose anyone that you should do that, you should not. You should do
I,
that whatever it comes to you, and just whatever you feel you should do. Just do that. Whether
yeah,
it is
definitely.
whether it is wrong for people, whether it is right for people, it doesn't matter.
One thing in India, people are afraid what to say, what people will say to me if I will do mistake.
Yes,
So they feel afraid from doing mistake.
yes, yes,
This is the bad thing, and people also judge others. They also no wait for the what to say. They only see the result.
yes,
They
yes.
don't see the what the input he is giving.
Mm-hmm. They expect results before they start.
Yeah,
So I
yeah,
don't know
yeah,
what kind of people they are, but if you are just striving for result, definitely it would be you would be failed. Definitely, 100%, 200%, completely
yeah,
you would be failed. If you are not
yeah.
thinking about, yeah, result matters, but sometimes you need to work. You need to work on your input.
Enjoy our journey. Yeah,
Yes, enjoy, just enjoy everything.
yeah. I have also written in my diary. Let's enjoy our journey, and I
So
write a life experience of mine on that.
yeah, you should write, yeah, whatever come to your thought. Not
And
don't.
definitely,
Mhm,
from today, I will start my writing. I write sometime, but I do not write regularly.
mhm.
But from today, I will write more and more, and it's also helped me in terms of my English.
Since yesterday, I'm just gonna say to people, don't fret about to think. Just do, yaar. Whatever comes to your way, whatever comes to your path, just release. Just release.
Yeah,
Don't bind anything. Just release.
don't bind your creativity.
Yeah, don't
Yeah,
bind your creativity. Otherwise, it would be destructive.
Mm.
So just
Yeah. So,
let it be creative.
I,
Don't make it destructive. So
yeah.
these type of words are coming these days in my mind. I don't know where they come from,
Mm,
but
yeah,
these days I'm working. That's why these are just on the my plate. So
yeah,
it's just
definitely.
usual things that's always
Yeah.
been being done with me.
Mhm,
So they are
mhm.
coming, and I'm welcoming of those, and I'm just embracing everything.
Yeah, definitely. And for me, college is a good time for doing experiment.
Hmm.
Uh,
Yes.
I I am in a government college, so I don't have more pressure of attending lectures and
Hmm.
uh, attendance. So I am free to do anything. Like in free time, I do nowadays English speaking practice, and all the my friends say that now examination is coming on. I don't have time to do other things. Like many of my friends, they are a little bit creative. They have
Mm.
some YouTube channel, but they don't work on that. And
Mhm.
few are have few have knowledge about bodybuilding, but they also stop his workout. They don't do nowadays because they
Yeah.
all afraid from the examination.
And this generation aims to learn English only. These days, whatever I'm just going to watch on YouTube, on anywhere, people are
Yeah.
just talking about only how to learn English, how to speak English, how to write English, how to read English.
Yeah.
Everything just became like a English generation, English world.
Yeah.
They have
Yeah.
created
Definitely.
that kind of area that should be done by the English only. Yeah, it
Yeah.
is just
Definitely.
a language. Yeah, you need to learn it. I'm not against of it, not in favor of it. You need to
Yeah.
learn, but for what? For your work only. If you are
Yeah. For your
communicating with,
purpose.
yeah, for your purpose. But if you are talking to your friends, your family, then please do talk in your local dialect, so that
Yeah. Definitely.
conversation will be productive for you and learnable.
Yeah, definitely. We should learn English just for our business purpose.
Yes,
Now English is like a business language.
yes.
So it is like an no, not compulsory, like a necessary.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I need, then I speak. I'm not learning to show up. I am so fluent. I can speak like a native speaker. I'm learning just whenever it will need, then I will speak.
Yes, yes. It will
Like
need.
few times I have been IITs in technical events. then I realized that English is like a compulsory if you go
Can I
outside from
stop
your
you
state.
for a while? Can I stop you?
Okay,
Can you repeat that? You need while when you speak. What did you say? Can you repeat it?
I think I don't think I want I don't, can't explain right way. I just
No,
speak.
no.
I say
The need
I
will
said
come,
that
then you will
when
speak. What did you say? I just forgot what. It was really
like
good quote. It could be a good quote for us.
I said whenever I need to speak in English, then I will speak. I'm not just learning a speaking to show if I'm a good speaker. I can speak
No, no, no.
English.
You. I think you might said that the you need to the need will when the need will
When I
you.
need to speak, then I will speak.
Oh, yes, 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 yes. What
Okay.
can you repeat it again?
When I need to speak, then I will speak.
Yes, 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 yes. It's great.
So,
It would become a quote for me. Please don't forget to share with me
mm,
on WhatsApp, okay? So
okay.
because I would forget it,
It
but
is
please.
just normal thing coming
No,
in
no,
from
it
my
it
mind.
is normal for you, but it's not normal for others, yeah. It could be
Yeah.
something because I'm just seeing those things. Everything I'm just seeing these days like a writing. So it would be
And
a topic. It would be a
you are
topic.
you always wondering for the good lines for your
Yes, yes,
writing.
yes.
Yeah.
That's
That's
why I
it.
talk to people. That's why I talk to people because I believe learning from everyone, from different people. Because I will pick one thing and I will start writing on it. And this will be one. Please share with me on WhatsApp whatever you said. Otherwise, I will notice through my recording because it's my
Okay.
recording session. So
Yeah.
voice
My
recording.
recording is
Yeah,
also going on.
yeah. So I
We
will I
also.
will just point it out and I will explain about it and what the mean exact and what
Mm.
we learn from it. So really are great. The second line you give me.
Yeah. That's okay. That's good. So I have realized few times
Mhm.
English is compulsory when I go outside from my state, like
Mhm.
when I go in IITs or South. So that time I have to speak only in English
Mhm.
because I don't know any native language of there.
Mhm.
So just for that I am learning English, and I am also suggesting people how to start, how you should start. Uh,
Mm.
Most of
That's
the people they don't take just 20 minutes for in schedule. They said
mhm.
I am very busy, I don't have time. They don't take 20 minutes for doing workout. They don't take 20 minutes from doing
Mhm.
meditation. These are
Mhm.
the necessary everyone should do nowadays.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At least
because
we
of
need to start it, yaar.
uh,
We don't need to care about result. We need to care about the effort that we need to start. But if
definitely.
people will think about result, they won't take single step. And
Yeah,
I'm not saying the single. I'm saying just they can't take a bit step also because
and
they
then
are just expecting result before
yeah,
begin the story.
and in one day they expect so much result.
Yeah.
Yeah, they start English speaking. They practice for 5 days. After they said English is not my cup of tea.
Yes,
I
yes.
can't learn. They give up. Yeah,
And they will think if
same
I
thing.
would have tried
Yeah.
today, I would have speaking.
After some time, they realize also that
Uh-huh.
when a few months later they talk to me, they
Mhm.
realize that after and,
But
and
because
same thing.
really, you are doing great work through your videos, and definitely you will reach a huge number, enormous number in your subscriber. I'm just
Thank
praying
you for
for
that.
you, and really you are working great, and you don't hesitate for your mistakes. For what people will think about your mistakes, and what people will think about your videos, what kind of mistakes you made. You don't care about, yeah. I was just really, yeah, shocked. That guy is just sharing his videos without knowing that what kind of mistakes he made, and he just really uploaded on YouTube and sharing with the public. I was
Yeah.
really, I do prepare some content before shooting the videos, but this man is just throwing stones. It's really, that's
Yeah.
why I told
Yeah.
you. That time I was watching. I don't watch any videos. whatever teachers are over there on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
I don't watch their
Mm-hmm.
videos, especially
Yeah.
Alina. But
Yeah.
your videos I was watching. What kind of new way you are allowing to come to your life? That's
Yeah. Yeah.
being learning, and definitely I will share with my friends who are learning and who are craving to get some the area that they are
Yeah. Yeah.
expecting.
Yeah. Yeah.
So thank
Yeah.
you for really, yeah, thank you for your effort that you made. And I was
It's,
shocked. The second one is just shared one YouTube channel to the group, and he is
mhm.
also asking to subscribe if you like. If you don't like, don't subscribe.
That's a good thing. And it's little awkward to say to people, please subscribe my channel.
That's why you told them. If you like, just
Yeah,
subscribe. Otherwise, don't subscribe.
yeah.
It's a great
I
thing,
know.
yeah. It doesn't come, usual. It comes from our experience, our observation that we had and we
Yeah,
have.
definitely. Definitely. If the people will just don't like my speech and they subscribe, then after a few times they will not watch my video also. So there is not any benefit for just subscribing channel.
Uh,
So I think we did a good conversation. Uh,
how many
so
videos
it,
do you got? 4 videos.
yeah, I have till now I have put it 4 videos, and I
Oh.
think I have two recordings more. Today I will put on my channel.
Mm-hmm. And she was also good. What's her name is? I can't recall. Let me. I don't know. I there you didn't mention.
Yeah.
The
So
second video was about what's her name? I don't know her name. She's
her
also
name
from Kelapingo.
Bihar. No, she is also from Bihar. Her name is Shambhavi. Yeah, I remember.
The second video was
Second
Sambhavi
video was
with Sambhavi.
yeah, Shambhavi. In
Okay.
this video, we talk about traveling.
Okay. A third video was about
Third video is all about
Arif Autowala.
Arif Autowala. Yeah.
Okay. So he became the faculty of Kelpingo, or
No,
you
he
just
is
talked
not
with him?
faculty of Clappingo. He
Oh.
is just a YouTuber and making videos of English conversation and
Oh, oh,
uploading them.
oh, 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 oh. I got now. I
Still,
got it.
still he run auto,
Mm-hmm.
but nowadays he's more focused towards his improving on English, and he's told me that
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and
Great. And you have gotten your video for 14 minutes, 13 minutes, 13 minutes, 14 minutes. Really, yeah, surprisingly, you have done great job.
yeah, I don't need to do more things. Just
Yes.
I edit some unnecessary things and I make a like thumbnail
Yeah, yeah.
and I
And whenever we will have a conversation with you, definitely we'll talk about spirituality. We'll talk about the things that going around us, the scam about teachers that they are doing. Okay, the scam
yeah
about English learning. Okay, this is the
yeah yeah
biggest scam I want to disclose on the camera. And
yeah
the
definitely.
third thing we gonna talk about, that is the reality of accessibility. The reality
Yeah,
accessibility refers to the ability that we can access, but we are afraid to about results. So
yeah.
so that would be our topic, but rest of the topics will be chosen by you. Okay, if you have, then we can go with
Okay,
that.
okay, definitely. It's great talking to you. Not only you,
Mhm.
there are many people who is just speaking so well. I will try to do conversation with everyone, and I will.
Definitely, definitely. If you get time and when you feel free, you can text me. If I get time, that definitely I will come with you. But Vignesh is also craving for like you, and he
Mhm.
has great conversation way. I'm become fan of him, yeah. Really, even I'm speaking like this, but I became fan of him, and he also said that
Yeah,
I don't know what kind of compliment he has given that time,
yeah,
but
yeah.
I told him that really, yeah, you are working great way, yeah. Please teach us.
Mhm.
Really, please, you have to go with that. Definitely,
Okay.
you will learn
Mhm.
a lot than me. Definitely, you will
Mhm.
learn a lot than me,
Mhm.
because he has experience of explaining things, how to express, and how to abridge sentences in very short form.
Yeah, yeah. So many of the people have this type
Yeah,
of
yeah.
skill.
Adil also.
They
I
are
don't know many
they are
people, but
good to
I
make
know
others.
about two.
Yeah, yeah, till now I've talked to many people,
Yeah.
and if they have good way to explain anything.
Mm-hmm.
They have good, easy way to make others understand.
Yes.
It is like a art or talent, you can say.
And you also reaching to that goal. Definitely. Definitely you are growing like this, yeah. I was very surprised the since when we talked to each other and today. Really, you are just grown, yeah. Your growth, I seen your growth within
Like
2 months, 3 months. Really, you are just making too much effort and you are rocking on.
mm,
That's
thanks for
great,
that.
yeah,
Yeah,
because really.
now I am little sincere or serious about
Yeah,
my
yeah.
English. Before I was just taking, just as a fun, I talk to the people. But now I want to work on upon it, and I want to improve. I want to go ahead little of in a speaking English.
And because I don't suggest to anyone, but I want to see you like that. I'm not suggesting you. Please don't follow my words. That is,
Okay.
whenever you are speaking, na, just make a bit loud, so that I can understand, so that others can understand you. You are a bit slow. So it's not my
My
suggestion.
speech
It's
is
up to you.
my,
Yeah.
my speech is not so good. It's mean
Okay.
not so high.
Okay. Is it your? This is your problem. Okay. Right.
I have to speak little loudly, right?
Yeah. You have to speak a bit loud, not a loud, but bit loud, because sometimes I missed your the way that you talk, that you explain. So something and sometimes.
Yeah.
So please
Yeah.
just work on this.
I
It's
I
not my
will work on
suggestion.
upon it.
No. Don't follow my words. Just examine, and if you are feeling the same that I told you, then go
Yeah.
ahead with that.
This
Otherwise,
is
don't go.
the one way to know get suggestion. That's yeah, right.
नो आई एम नॉट सजेस्टिंग यू, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, जस्ट
Like,
एग्जामिन, देखो कि तुम्हारे अंदर सच में वो है, फिर मेरे बातों को मानो, अदरवाइज नहीं, डोंट फॉलो माय वर्ड्स, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अलाउइंग टू, आई एम नॉट इम्पोजिंग टू एनीवन, इट्स माय सजेशन, इट्स नॉट माय सजेशन, सॉरी, आई डोंट हैव एनी वर्ड
you
रादर
have
देन
unique
सजेशन.
idea to give feedback other.
Yes, this is
I
the
like
unique
that.
idea.
Like
Yeah,
I
really,
have
it's my unique way.
I I have read somewhere.
Uh,
अगर आपको लोगों की प्रशंसा करनी है तो सबके सामने कीजिए।
yeah.
अगर लोगों की आलोचना करनी है तो एज ए फीडबैक के तौर पे उसे बता दीजिए तुम्हारे में ये कभी है अकेले में।
Yes. No, it's not your weakness. It's not your drawback. I was just whatever I felt, that's I told you. But you need to work on after once you watched your video and your conversation that you did with anyone. Then if you feel the same whatever I told you, then you can go with that. I'm not suggesting you. I'm not I'm not one capable who can give suggestion to anyone.
No, I will work upon it. I will try to speak little confidently, loudly.
A bit confidently, so that people can understand your words. Sometimes you talk like that, you are scared with people, and why you are talking, but not with me, with them who were your teacher, not with them. I didn't feel this with me. I did feel with them.
In front of camera, I little bit feel nervousness. Sometimes my mind goes blank.
Oh.
Yeah, it is just started. I think after 10 or.
Don't allow it to go to black hole, okay? Otherwise, it won't come to.
Okay.
Don't allow to go to black hole. You can send it to white hole, but don't let it go to black hole. Otherwise, it won't come to you again.
Okay.
And you just made it, yeah. Really, yeah. I'm so much glad. That's why I was just thinking that I will talk to Vikas when I get time.
Yeah.
Sorry for not giving time to group. Sorry for not giving time to anyone. But it's my compulsion. I think you may feel about it.
No. I didn't feel any disappointment or anything else.
Mm-hmm.
I know people don't have time. That's why they are not responding.
Because we don't know now what kind of people are there and what kind of work they have to do.
Yeah,
so that's why when as I get time, I do respond to each one who comes to join me, who comes to talk to me. But it's very rare things for me, because I have a lot of things to do. These days,
Yeah.
I just engaged myself in difficult area. I don't know what
Mhm.
kind of area it is, but I just joined the area where I just busy. I keep busy myself, and I don't earn any time for me because it's my time. It's my lifetime.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Because we are not
So,
here to take again a birth. Okay, so this is my last birth, and I don't want to come here again.
yeah, great thoughts, bro, you have.
And today you have you heard about the Sandeep Nahar, who have worked in MS Dhoni movie and who was Punjabi, who played a Punjabi role, the friends of Sushant Rajput. He
Yeah,
suicide
I
today.
I didn't know his name,
Okay,
but
this
I know, I've
you
seen his.
okay okay. So that today he did suicide and he also
Oh,
hung up like Sushant Rajput.
oh, it means there is a.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I don't think their all four friends will wanna go and do that.
Mm.
The four friends will shoot a movie over there.
Oh, okay.
But it's the problem, yeah. People are not accepting the problems and they are doing this all. So it's their
Yeah.
life. They have their own choice to choose.
There's yeah, the society have to work upon that.
Yes, yes.
They are, they are just working towards go
Hmm.
ahead in success. They don't have any plan after fail.
Yeah, yeah.
It is a line of Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yes, yes. And he also did
Somehow,
that.
yeah, somehow I didn't realize what is the importance of that line.
I have plans. I will roast to people. If I got failed on my YouTube, definitely I'm
Uh,
gonna roast to people.
now
And
I have planned to take a bag, थैला उठाना चले जाना हिमालय की ओर.
oh, don't go there because you won't find anything there. Because everything is around us and we are not picking them up. So
Yeah,
don't go there
bro.
because it has
I want
nothing.
to do two thing in my life. Like
Mm-hmm.
whenever I will go time, then I will experience a spirituality like a monk. Or
Mm-hmm.
the second thing, I want to serve my India as a army man. I
Whoa,
want to take
whoa.
training of army and I want
Mm-hmm.
to work few years there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because in army men they have good disciplines.
Yes, yes, they have.
Yeah, yeah, they have good disciplines and everything. I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And they have dared, yeah, they have dared to kill themselves of for country, and we don't dare to scratch ourselves for a moment. But they have
Yeah.
dared to kill themselves, yeah, and it's a really, yeah, it's a rare to find.
Yeah. So I think our next conversation will
Yeah,
happen on Sunday, right?
yes, yes. It might be. I'm not very sure about it because
Okay.
might be I have some plan about that day, but
Okay.
definitely you can assume it will help.
Okay.
And
I will make you reminder on Saturday night.
yeah, yeah. But when I'll get time, when I'll earn much time to talk to you, definitely I will hit you up. Okay,
Yeah, definitely.
through my
Definitely, it will be also helpful for others.
yes,
Uh,
definitely.
yeah.
And you are making great effort.
Yeah. Thanks for your all compliments. You
No, no,
gave
it
so
was
many compliments.
wait.
Okay.
It was not compliment. It was the words that I thrown to you. The new word that came to
Too
my
smart,
mind
bro.
and I wanted to say to you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sure,
so
sure.
now we have to conclude this. Okay, so it's been
Yeah.
very productive with you, and
Yeah.
it's been very fruitful. And please share with me that line that you told me during the
Okay.
conversation, and
Okay.
please
Okay.
mention to my WhatsApp so that I
Okay.
can talk more about it.
Okay. I will definitely send to you. And it was so too great interacting with you. It
Hmm.
was too healthy conversation. I have learned so many things from
Thank
you,
you, thank you.
and I will whatever you gave me as a feedback, I will work on
No, no, it
upon it.
was not feedback. It was unique feedback.
No, no. I
And
always.
you don't need to work on your that I you was suggested. You need to work on how to give unique ideas, unique feedback to people so that they don't get hurt to from your
Yeah,
words and from your speech.
yeah, definitely, I will try to
Yeah.
inculcate all the things whatever I have learned.
Thanks.
Okay. Now I am not using my earphone. That's why some of the time you don't heard my voice. Don't
Yeah, it
put
might
my
be. It
voice.
might be. I'm not very sure that it's your mistake. That's why I told you. It could be
Okay.
my mistake so that I couldn't hear you because my ears also very weak to hear something.
You are again becoming too.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
might be.
yeah.
Yeah,
You
I'm not
you.
very sure with my body structure. So it could be
Yeah.
it could be my mistake. So I
Yeah.
apologize for whatever I just spread to you. But yeah, it was not my suggestion.
Mm. You
Great,
are.
yeah. It's been great, really.
Yeah. It's a too great. So have you completed your whatever you are doing? You're making lunch or
Yes, yes, I'm done.
okay, that's good. Go for your lunch and enjoy
Yeah,
meal.
yeah. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vikas.
Okay.
We'll have a great conversation next time on WhatsApp, Skype, on Zoom. It could be anything.
Okay.
We'll talk about it.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now, bye, and have a great
Okay.
life.
Same to you, bro. Have a great life to you. Bye. Have a good day.
Okay. Now I'm going to cut off. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye.